This week in our Starlight, we'll be reading a blog. Now, the word blog is a shortened version of the words web and log, with a log being like a diary. So when you put web and log together, you can shorten them to blog. So this is Tobi's blog, and his blog is like a diary. Now, a diary is a type of recount. So this piece that you're reading today, this week, is actually a recount, or a type of recount anyway. Now, blogs are generally updated very regularly. People edit them or add new entries to their blog either daily, they could do it more than once a day, or as in the case with Tobi's one, he's done it, he enters a new entry every week. So we have here Tuesday the 8th of January, 7 days later Tuesday the 15th of January, and 7 days later Tuesday the 22nd of January. So Tobi puts an entry into his blog once a week. So Tobi has been asked by his school, St. Mary's National School, to write a blog while a new hurling coach is coming to the school. So this special hurling skills coach is going to be teaching the boys and girls at St. Mary's National School some new skills. I want you, before you read the 3 pages, I want you to try and predict what skills the boys might be learning as part of their training. So try and predict the skills before you read. Once you've finished reading it then, boys, think about your prediction and think about the skills that the boys learn as part of their training. Now I want you to think about something that you've learned yourself. Maybe it was part of some hurling training you've done. Maybe it was another sport. Maybe it was some tennis. Maybe it was some soccer or basketball. And have a think about the skills that you learned then. Were they the same or were they different? Now, what did you enjoy about that training that you did? What did you find easy or what was tricky? And now I want you to read the blog again and see what did they enjoy about the training, what did they find easy about the training, and then what did they find tricky about the training. One more thing to watch out for as you read. I want you to look at page 105 and focus in on this phrase here. But I was able to flick Connor's slitter away from him and knock him out. So what I really want you to focus on is Connor's slitter. Now, there's 2 things here that we're looking at. We have, in our grammar this week, we're going to talk about apostrophes. And this, what you see here between the R and the S, is an apostrophe. Now here, the apostrophe is used to show that Connor owns something. Here, Connor owns the slitter. So Connor possesses the slitter. And we use apostrophes to show possession. So boys, the second word, slitter, is an Irish word, and it's the ball that we use when we play hurling. Now, the word slitter comes from the story of Setanta and Cuchulainn. So when Setanta struck his slitter and he killed the hound of Cuchulainn, and from then on he pledged to watch the lands of Cullen until he could raise a new hound to protect his lands. So there's our slitter. Okay, so enjoy reading it. It's a great blog and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.